Everyone, and today I want to talk to you about one lesson that I've learned from Gary Vee. And he always says this, he says this so many times in his videos about don't create, document. When you're starting, like I am starting right now, I'm starting my YouTube channel. And for those people who've watched my content so far, you know that my sound is crappy and my videos are not so well done. And there's a reason for that because I want to document each and every single thing that I'm doing. So, and in the way that I'm doing it, because I don't have expensive cameras right now, I don't have the lighting system, I don't have the audio system yet. So that's why I'm documenting each and every single thing. And I hope you bear with me, and I hope you also follow and enjoy the content that will be coming up. I'll be teaching you a lot of stuff about what I am learning, and the other lesson that I've learned uh, from some of the guys that I follow online is uh, okay. I've lost the chain of thought, but that was the one lesson I wanted to talk to you about. Document each and everything that you do. Just document, don't create. Since you're not known yet, you do not have a name yet, all you can do is document whatever it is that you're doing. So that's it. And bye. Peace out.